Namaste. On behalf of our clinical nutrition team at Jahangir Hospital, I would like to wish you all a very happy Dietetics Day 2022. Dietetics Day is celebrated across the nation, and as the word suggests, it is to create and promote awareness of balanced diet and nutrition for maintaining good health. I'd like to reiterate the importance of nutrition, that optimum nutrition not only helps in maintaining the well-being or in growth and development of a person, but it also helps in improving the immunity levels, combating various illnesses, and also early diagnosis of malnutrition, which could be a single or a multiple nutrient deficiency. We all need to remember that nutrition plays a very important role from as early as early infancy till geriatric period, and it lays the basic foundation of a lifelong health, well-being and fitness of an individual. Remember, quality of eating has a direct bearing on our metabolic health. Once again, a very happy Dietetics Day to all of you. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Kiranjit Singh. I'm a physician in Jahangir Hospital. As a physician, I deal with chronic diseases like blood pressure, diabetes, and their consequences like heart disease and other things. It's my firm belief that nutrition is the backbone on which good health is based. Of course, exercise is also very important. Now, we may be a little lazy that we can't exercise as much as we should, but definitely all of us can be careful about what we eat and how much we eat. The medicines are an adjunct or just a little addition to your good health. The basis is good nutrition. Now, if you're not aware as to, well, a lot of it is common sense, but I think sometimes it's important that you see a nutritionist and he or she can tell you exactly how much you should eat, what should be the quality of your diet. So do visit a nutritionist, even if you don't have a disease, but if you have a disease, certainly that's very important. And do inform the nutritionist about any specific problems like diabetes, obesity, blood pressure, heart disease, and I'm sure they will really be able to help you more than what my medicines can do. Thank you.
हेलो, मैं योगिता सिस्टर हूँ बोगनविला से। मैं आज न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में बोल रही इधर कि न्यूट्रिशन हमारे लाइफ में बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि न्यूट्रिशन डिपेंड करता है पेशेंट का मेंटल हेल्थ, फिजिकल हेल्थ। इधर हम पेशेंट का केयर करते हैं, उसमें हम न्यूट्रिशन भी ऐड करते हैं। तो पेशेंट को गुड न्यूट्रिशन देने के, पेशेंट को कम्युनिकेबल, नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज नहीं होने चाहिए। पेशेंट की इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग होने के लिए न्यूट्रिशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। पेशेंट का ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए न्यूट्रिशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। हम पेशेंट के जब मेडिसिन पर ध्यान देते हैं, वैसे इस तरह ही न्यूट्रिशन पर भी ध्यान देना चाहिए।
Good afternoon, I'm Dr. Anshu Sethi, pediatrician in Jahangir Hospital. I think a dietitian is extremely important in a hospital setup, especially for pediatrics, because a good diet lays the foundation for a healthy individual, and a good advice from a dietitian to parents can enforce that the child develops a healthy body, healthy mind, and lays the foundation for good immunity. The child will be free from diseases, and later on in life, the child will be healthy and happy.
अच्छा डाइट यानी अच्छी हेल्थ। नमस्ते, फूड एंड बेवरेज डिपार्टमेंट से मैं सागर जॉन। डाइट हमारे लाइफ के लिए बेहद इंपॉर्टेंट है। मैंने देखा है अपनी ड्यूटी के दौरान पेशेंट के लिए डाइट कितना जरूरी है। मैं रोज सारे पेशेंट्स को उनके डाइट के अनुसार फूड सर्व करता हूं, और जिनसे मरीजों को उनकी रिकवरी में बहुत ही फायदा मिलता है। मरीजों को ही नहीं, बल्कि हमें भी अपने दैनिक जीवन में डाइट्स को फॉलो करना चाहिए, जिनसे हमें मिल सके पॉजिटिव एनर्जी एंड बूस्ट पावर। थैंक यू।
Nutrition is very much important to maintain our health. We look at nutrition only when we develop some diseases like hypertension, diabetes, or obesity, or need to weight loss. But if we look at to keep ourselves healthy, we may not be facing or getting into all these diseases. So living a healthy lifestyle and looking at preemptively to avoid these diseases is something which will be very much important.
Namaste. Each stage of the body's immune response relies on the presence of many micronutrients. These provide a healthy and wholesome diet, like vitamin C rich foods, vegetables, and foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Our immune system is influenced greatly by the quality and quantity of the food we eat.
Namaste. What we eat influences what we feel like and also influences our emotions, mood, sensation, etc. So, what we eat and controlling what the eating habits are improves brain function and helps improve the psychological diseases as well. Thank you.
Namaste. Nutrition and diabetes mellitus. A diet high in calories increases the risk for diabetes mellitus. Conversely, a diet low in fat, salt, sugar, and high in fiber reduces the risk for diabetes mellitus.
Nutrition helps in prevention, management, and controlling hypertension by providing a dietary approach to stop hypertension, by providing special nutrients which will be beneficial in improving our cardiac health. Thus, foods with high salt should be restricted and replaced by healthy choices in order to keep our blood pressure at a healthy level.
Namaste. Obesity has become a big concern for youths of today's generation. It is a medical condition in which an individual gains excessive body fat. This occurs when the intake of calories is higher than calories burnt out. Nutrition plays a very important role in controlling obesity. A healthy diet overcomes obesity. Consumption of nutritious foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, etc. helps us for a balanced weight loss.
Namaste. While there is no such evidence to prove that any dietary supplement on food can help prevent COVID-19 or cure COVID-19, but a good nutrition and a well-balanced diet can help to cope up faster with infection. Also, good nutrition decreases the likelihood for developing comorbidities.